Although they're packed with technology, high-altitude spy planes have their limitations. They need runways to launch from. Without runways, they cannot get into the air and provide the critical tactical information that battlefield commanders want.
When you are in combat, you need it right there and then, and you can't wait to call something in for you.
And sending soldiers on scouting missions is life-threatening.
What's needed is a new kind of future weapon, one that minimizes the risk for the operator in the field. Maybe an unmanned aerial vehicle that can launch from any place and gives you immediate, high-quality, operator-friendly intel.
The MQ-8B, otherwise known as the Fire Scout. Fire Scout was designed and developed to provide a tactical eye in the sky for the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps. It can also pack on enough firepower to support the troops in the heat of battle. The Navy is no stranger to spies in the sky, but the Fire Scout is different because it was designed to take off from anywhere on short notice and can carry crucial new technology.
The Fire Scout's going to be the first UAV to enter the Navy fleet in a fully autonomous mode operated from ships. When I say autonomous, it isn't autonomous in the sense that people like to believe it is, like a remote-controlled helicopter. The mission plan is loaded into the helicopter before it takes off, and with one keystroke it'll take off and complete the entire mission plan before returning to base.
The Fire Scout is smart and doesn't need to be flown from the ground by a joystick. No longer is a pilot required with a large ground support team. Once it's programmed with its mission, just push the button and this UAV flies completely by itself. It's an amazing helicopter, but what makes it an incredible spy in the sky is the latest infrared sensors that allow it to relay pictures in real time back to battlefield commanders. It can fly up to 20,000 feet in the sky searching for the enemy's position. But there's more to it than just spying.
Not only is it a cool eye in the sky, but it also has teeth. Watch out for this baby's bite.
The Fire Scout can be fitted with 2 4-pack rocket launchers, firing 8 laser-guided rockets in a lethal barrage from the sky.
Hey, ABO, be advised, you're clear to arm and fire. You're clear to arm and fire.
Clear to arm and fire. And fire.
The Fire Scout can give you a bird's eye view of the battlefield, can take off and land on a dime, can fire rockets from as high as 20,000 feet. What's all that give you? The ability to provide close air support.
And there's no need to risk a pilot's life. In military terms, the Fire Scout performs the 3 most demanding missions: dull, dirty, and dangerous.
A lot of reconnaissance missions are hour after hour after hour just waiting for some small change, and that's probably the dull. The dangerous, the aircraft doesn't care if it's snowing, if it's raining, whatever. You give it a spot to land, it's going to land there. You could resupply troops, blood, bullets, beans, whatever you need, medical supplies. In the darkest of nights, aircraft will land there, troops can get the supplies and go back.
The Fire Scout can perform a whole gamut of missions, from direct action to reconnaissance, even resupply. It's not just a smart weapon, it's a weapon that's going to save lives.